how you can upload your videos to TikTok on mobile. So watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. Let's assume you've already filmed a video on your phone and simply uploading it rather than recording directly in the TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app. You'll see your For You page. And to upload video, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. TikTok will ask for access to your camera and microphone, so make sure to allow this permission by tapping on Open Settings and enabling all the access. Once you're set up, you can choose to film a new video, but since we're uploading an existing one, tap on the upload button at the bottom right. It looks like a little mountain icon. This allows you to select which video on your phone you want to upload and choose the video that you want to upload and tap on it. You will then see a preview of your video where you can edit it as needed before posting and tap next. You'll now be able to add hashtags, tag people, connect with other videos, adjust your privacy settings, and make any other edits at this stage. And when everything is ready, hit the red post icon at the bottom right. And that's it. This is the easiest way to upload a video on TikTok on mobile. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.